How do I get to flip accounts? How do I get to hit targets of 10%, 20%, 25%, 30%, 40%, 50% profit growth on accounts? How do I do that? It's part of what I want to show you in this video. So don't go nowhere, don't touch that dial. Stay till the end, don't skip any part. Stay till the end. I'm going to be revealing a secret to you guys in this video, live and direct. So make sure you stick till the end so that you can get a full grasp of all I am going to be sharing. I am Emmanuel Khan. Welcome to my wealth building YouTube channel. I share content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, and dollar earning income opportunities. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe right now if you are not subscribed already. All right, then hit on the notification bell icon so when I make new videos like this, you will always be notified. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. For your information, I trade strictly V75. I only trade V75. I am a specialist in V75. All right, volatility 75. In fact, some people call me the king of volatility. All right, well, I specialize on V75. I only trade it day in, day out. I look out for the opportunities therein, and then I take my trade once the opportunities present themselves. But then what I'm going to show you can apply to any asset that you trade, any asset of your choice. If you want to be trading 10 assets, 5 assets, 3 assets, whatever, you can apply the same principle to it. The principle is how to flip accounts, how I get to flip account, especially small account. All right, you have an account of $10, an account of $20, an account of $15, $7, $5. I've even flipped $3 account. All right, what else? Maybe $30. All right, how do you get to flip them? All right, so I'll begin like this. I'll begin from here. Of course, I do my analysis from the higher time frames. I do my analysis from the weekly time frame. Then I check after, when I'm done with the weekly, I go down to the daily time frame. Basically, on the weekly time frame, I'm looking out for my key areas. All right, I'm looking out for my key areas, my key zones on the weekly time frame. Let's see that. All right, now these purple lines you see, they are my weekly key zones. All right, anytime price comes to these areas where you have your purple line, I'm sure of getting a reaction, so I just wait to get the right setup and I trade off those key zones, these key zones that you see here with the purple line. All right, now once I'm done with that, I go to my D1, my daily time frame. Once I've gotten my major key areas on the weekly time frame, I scroll down to my daily time frame to see what trend is currently prevailing on the daily time frame. What is the prevailing trend? Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Is the market in a range? In other words, sideways movement, consolidation. All right, I get that from my daily time frame, and then I go over to my 1 hour. My 1 hour time frame is where I check for the immediate trend. So despite what the H1 is doing, for example, if the H1 is on a bullish trend, okay, I come to my 1 hour and I know that since the daily time frame is on a bullish trend, I'm looking out for buy opportunities, more of buy opportunities on the 1 hour time frame. But then the price doesn't move just in a straight line, like a straight line graph. Okay, there will be ups and downs. In other words, there will be corrections, retracements, and there will be impulse movements. Okay, so I wait for whenever the trend on the 1 hour time frame, whenever it will match or be in sync, synchronized with the trend on the D1, the daily time frame. Remember, in this case, we are assuming the daily time frame is bullish. So my 1 hour, I come on 1 hour and I see that the market is bearish. Okay, because I want to trade with the trend. I'm explaining to you how I flip account. I only trade with the trend. I catch the trend to flip account. So because I want to trade with the trend, because I want to catch the trend, I have to wait till the 1 hour time frame is in sync, synchronizes with my daily time frame. Once that is done, once I see that 1 hour time frame has come out from a bearish trend and has aligned itself with the daily time frame trend, which is the bullish trend, then I scale down to my 15 minutes for entry. I use 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Majorly, most times I use 5 minutes, okay, but I swing between 15 minutes and 5 minutes for my entries. Excuse me. All right, so I swing between 15 minutes and 5 minutes for my entries. All right, so I come on 15 minutes, and what I look out for on the 15 minutes is where price is turning from, the turning point of price. All right, I check out where the price is about to turn from, and then I go all in. For example, in this trade you're seeing, in this current trade, price turned from here. All right, I waited for my confirmation, and my confirmation tool gave me a signal to go ahead right here. That's why I entered the trade right here. All right, now, so that is how I get to take my trade and to flip my account. Once I see that there's a turning point in the market, I check my tool for confirmation. Now, your tool for confirmation can be anything. It can be RSI, it can be Bollinger Band, it can be what else now? It can be Chimoku, whatever it can be MACD, okay? Whatever your preferred tool for confirmation is, go ahead. You can go ahead and use it. For me, I use FMMT. That's my tool for confirmation. If you have been following my channel before now, you must have seen me talk about it. If you follow me on Facebook or and on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Telegram, you must have seen me talk about it. FMMT. That is what I use for confirmation. Whenever it tells me to buy, I close my eyes and I buy with utmost confidence, guys. Whenever FMMT tells me to sell, guys, man, I close my eyes and I go all in, withholding nothing, without no restrictions. Yes, I have that much trust on the tool I use, FMMT. So once the tool says to sell, I go ahead and I sell. Once it says to buy, I go ahead and I buy. And that is why I sold here. All right, then I take my profit at just the opposite direction. Okay, so that is how, guys, that is how I get to flip accounts. All right, this is a $10 account. All right, $10 account, and there we have it. Is at 19 now. All right, so that's and sometimes, in fact, I was actually having a network challenge this evening when I took this trade. This evening. Okay, I was actually having a network challenge. If not, I would have opened up to 10 positions on this. I don't think I'm risking on taking another. It's a small account. It's just $10 account. So I risk $10 to make $70, to make $100, to make $150. Man, that's not much of a risk. All right. So that's how I get to flip account. I equally use the same tool, FMMT, to grow people's account. Now, there are people who copy my trades. If you haven't started copying my trade, you are missing a lot. There are people who copy my trades. They copy all of my trades, and then they get to make profit. In fact, let me walk you through some amazing results that we've had. If you have not heard of the VIX plugin program, then okay, I'll leave an introduction to it in the description of this video. Read about it. Then I'll leave my contact too, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp to get into the program. It's the program where individuals come to copy my trades, and they make anything between 10 to, in fact, anything I make, they make. The risk I take, the account bears the same risk. The profit I make, the account makes the same profit. It's amazing, guys. Now look at some of the results that we have achieved. Look at these guys. Now these trades were all taken. Now look at the entry, guys. Crazy, amazing. Now these trades were all taken were all confirmed by the FMMT2. Now guys, look at this. See this? Are you seeing that? $1. That's $1 account. This is super amazing, guys. Super amazing. Look at this. See the entries? Are you seeing the entries? Look at the entries. Super cool, guys. Super cool. This is it beats. Now look at this. We have over 114 results. Look at man. This is super cool, guys. So on this day we lost $80. But that's part of trading. You don't expect to trade every single day of your life without incurring some losses. No, it's not possible. Anybody who is telling you that is deceiving you. I can't show you the whole 114 results now because of time. All right, I can't show you that, but man, this is what we have been doing. This is what we have been doing massively, and people have been benefiting from this. All right, so I'll leave the necessary details in the description of this video so that you can hop on, join those who are copying my trade, and begin to make money for yourself. We have a target of 10 to 40% profit every month for all our copiers, all those who are in the VIX plugin program. All right, but then we exceed. Sometimes we hit and exceed this target in just one day, sometimes in 2 days, sometimes in just one trade. We have exceeded the target. All right, so I don't want you to miss out on that. I like for you to be part of it, and then watch us grow your account for you and find your way into financial freedom. So I hope that you've learned something from this video. Basically, for flipping of my account, I always wait for a turning point in the market. Remember what I said? Let me go through it one more time before I wrap up the video. I go on my weekly time frame and I get my key zones. I come to my daily time frame and I get my trend. All right, and I scroll to my 1 hour time frame to get the immediate trend. All right, whatever the immediate trend is saying, I wait till the trend on 1 hour aligns with the trend on the daily time frame, and then I scroll to my 15 minutes or my 5 minutes for my entries. And what are my entries? My entries there are based on two rules. Number one, once there's a turning point in the market, for example, the market is bearish trending, I wait for a turning point. Okay, sorry, let's say the daily time frame trend is bullish. Now I come to the 5 minutes and I see that the 5 minutes is bearish, so I wait for it to get bullish. Once there's that turning point in the market, I take my trade, but I don't take my trade blindly. I confirm from my tool, FMMT trading tool that I use. Once I confirm and the tool gives me go ahead, boom, I'm all in. And that is how we rock. That is how we roll. All right, so till I come your way again next time, I remain your boy and your friend, Emmanuel Khan. Bye for now.